In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can enable auto-generated captions on your videos. You can simply add auto-captions to your videos using CapCut in just few simple steps. To do this, simply head into your CapCut app. On this page, tap on New Project to add any video of your own choice. When the video is added, you will then tap on the text option at the bottom just right here. Then select this option of auto-captions. Tap right here to first select the language that's used in the video. These are the only selected languages. Since my video is in English, I'll mark on English. Then choose your video caption format. Select any format and tap on Start to auto-generate the captions. You will have to wait for it to load. Your captions will get generated successfully. That's how easy it is to add auto-generated captions to your videos on CapCut. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.